Hi guys, welcome to Thai Vehicle Game. This video, 3 types of big size vehicles assemble video guys. One dump truck, yellow and black combination dump truck guys. One KTM racing bike guys, 4-wheeler green and grey color bike guys. And one JCB guys, missionary job big size JCB. 3 vehicles assemble video guys. First vehicles attachment video guys. Dump truck guys. Wow guys, some parts assemble guys. Wow, first attachment guys. Screw guys. Wow, perfect guys, perfect. Okay guys, perfectly fitting guys. Wow, dump truck first fitting finish guys. Second part fitting guys. Okay guys, second part fitting. Screw guys. Wow, perfectly fitting guys. Front side already screw guys. Wow, perfect. Okay guys, dump truck ready. Wow guys, black and yellow combination. Dump truck ready guys. Wow, beautiful guys. Finish. And dump truck. Bike guys. Bike. Bike guys. Tires guys, black and yellow combination tire. Wow guys, perfectly fitting guys. Big size tire guys. Wow. Wow, perfect guys. Front tires guys, front tires fitting guys. Okay guys, okay guys. Okay guys, front tires perfectly fitting guys. Front and back tires. Wow. Okay guys, perfectly fitting. It's fitting guys. Okay guys, screw guys, screw missing guys. Wow, screw guys. Wow, perfect guys. Wow, perfect guys. Wow, perfectly fitting guys. green, green and gray combination, and blue and black combination, guys. um, wow, beautiful bike ready, guys. Wow, wow, guys, big size bike ready. Two vehicles assemble finish, guys. Last vehicles, guys. JCB, guys. Wow, JCB some parts assemble. Okay, guys, fitting. Next fitting, guys. Front tires. Wow, simple, guys, easy. Wow, finish, guys. JCB finish. Wow, JCB ready, guys. JCB dump truck. Wow, finish, guys. Orange and black combination. JCB assemble finish, guys. Wow, JCB, guys. And dump truck. Wow, big size dump truck, guys. On bike, guys. Wow, bike, dump truck, JCB, guys. Wow, this video assemble finish, guys.